Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install and configure Phile CMS on Fedora 34. Phile is a flat file CMS that does not require an admin backend or database. Also, we can simply put .md files in the content folder to generate the web pages. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install Phile CMS by using wget command. Press enter. Package installed now, and then I'm going to unzip this zip file. Use this following command. Mention here directory and press enter. Now I'm going to give the owner name and group name for this directory. Use this following command. And then I'm going to give the permission for this directory. And then I'm going to open virtual host configuration file using the following command. Make the host configuration like this. Then save and exit. And then I'm going to open host entry file. Here enter your IP and domain name. Then save and exit. Now restart your Apache service. Use this following command. Then go to the browser. Search your domain name here. See, this is a dashboard page for Phile CMS. The process of installing Phile CMS on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.